Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to be demonstrating some more Python features, specifically if statements. I'll be using if statements to evaluate a company's financial performance and categorize it either as profit, break even, or a loss. So I'm just putting some comments in there. So I'm just pasting that from the previous example just to save me a bit of time. I've already showed how I have produced that code in my previous two videos. So just calculating the gross profit. Again, exact same as the previous videos. Just putting in another comment, which will determine the performance category. This is where we're going to be using our if statements and our else if and our else statements. So an if statement allows Python to evaluate conditions and execute different code depending on the result of that condition. So if the profit is greater than 0, the company has made a profit. If the profit equals 0, the company, let's see here, has broken even. So we'll be using an else if statement. And then otherwise, or else, if the profit is negative, then the company's made a loss. So we'll put that in here in just a second. So in this section, the indentation's pretty important. So we need to make sure we're getting the indentations correct. What I mean by that is, like, when I take a new line, I need to make sure that after it, see how I'm doing spaces there? After it, I put those spaces, otherwise it won't work. And then we're going to be using f strings in this section. So we'll be printing the results and using f strings. So what an f does, so you can see I'm using an f here, it allows me to insert variables directly into the string. Let's see if I can get my brackets right, so we're using curly brackets for this one. So when I run this code, if it works, so I'm just printing the accounting period now. So when I run this code, if it works, Python should evaluate the gross profit and then assign the performance category. So it should say profit, break even, or loss. Financial performance, again using the f string and the curly brackets. Just going to run this, see if it works. It's taking a second. Okay, there we go. And if I change the revenue so that we're breaking even, it should say break even if I run it now, which it does. And if I change it so that it's lower, it should say loss, which it does. Thank you very much for watching.